Welcome back. Today, we're counting down the 10 best video doorbell cameras that can upgrade your home security instantly. From crystal clear HD video and night vision to motion alerts, two-way talk, and smart app control, these doorbells let you see and speak to visitors from anywhere. Stay tuned until the end to discover our top pick. Wireless video doorbell features a 180-degree head-to-toe ultra-wide view, so you can clearly see visitors, packages, and your entire doorstep without blind spots. Sharp 2 KHD video and 33-foot night vision deliver crystal clear images day and night. Smart human detection reduces false alerts by focusing only on people, while two-way audio and voice-changing features let you communicate safely from anywhere. With a free indoor chime included, no subscription required, Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, IP66 weather resistance, and up to 2 months of battery life. This smart camera features motion detection that instantly alerts you whenever movement is detected, helping you stay informed and protected. With built-in two-way audio, you can communicate with visitors, family members, or even pets directly through the app. Night vision ensures clear video recording even in low-light conditions, while secure cloud storage keeps your footage backed up and easily accessible. Its IP65 weather-resistant design stands up to rain, dust, and changing outdoor conditions, and the stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection delivers dependable performance for everyday home security. Want an affordable smart doorbell packed with features? The iGeek J9 wireless video doorbell delivers Sharp 2 KHD video with a wide viewing angle, helping you clearly see visitors and packages at your doorstep. Its PIR motion detection sends real-time alerts within seconds and records activity automatically. Enjoy free lifetime basic cloud storage with no monthly fees, plus support for up to a 128-gigabyte memory card for extra backup. Two-way audio, voice changer protection, and quick reply messages make communication simple and secure. With easy wireless installation, up to 40 days of battery life, Alexa compatibility, and clear night vision, this smart doorbell provides reliable home security day and night. This wireless doorbell camera includes a 64-gigabyte SD card for local storage and supports up to 512 gigabytes, so you can save recordings without a subscription. Its dual camera design provides a complete view of both visitors and packages, while Sharp 2K Full HD video and a 190-degree ultra-wide angle deliver excellent coverage. Real-time two-way audio, a built-in voice changer, and quick reply options make communication easy and secure. With infrared night vision, anti-theft tamper alerts, stable base station connectivity, and remote viewing from your phone or PC, this smart doorbell offers reliable protection around the clock. This Topo 2K video doorbell delivers sharp 2K resolution and a wide 160-degree field of view, helping you monitor your entire entryway with ease. Built-in AI detects people and sends instant alerts without requiring a subscription. Answer visitors like a phone call directly through the Topo app, use two-way audio, or send quick pre-recorded responses when you're busy, with up to 180 days of battery life. Infrared night vision, customizable activity zones, and local micro SD storage support, this weather-resistant doorbell provides reliable home security day and night. This AI-powered surveillance system helps detect human movement while reducing false alerts caused by pets or environmental activity, so you only get notified when it matters. Built-in two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors or monitor entry points from anywhere using your smartphone. Secure encrypted cloud storage keeps your recordings protected, while allowing easy access to live and recorded footage, with support for monitoring multiple areas through a single app and infrared night vision for clear visibility in low-light conditions. This system delivers reliable protection day and night. Plus, stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity keeps you connected when you need it most. Need a reliable smart doorbell for home security? This wireless video doorbell features advanced AI human detection that filters out pets, vehicles, and other false triggers, so you only get alerts that matter. Stay connected with real-time two-way audio, allowing you to speak with visitors from anywhere. Built for year-round protection, its weatherproof design handles changing outdoor conditions with ease. The doorbell connects through a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network for dependable performance, and for extra security, you can choose optional encrypted cloud storage to safely save and access your recordings. A simple, smart solution for keeping an eye on your front door. This BoyFun wireless doorbell camera offers an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, giving you a complete head-to-toe view of visitors and packages at your doorstep. Its AI-powered human detection reduces false alerts by distinguishing people from animals, vehicles, and moving objects. The Sharp 2K HD camera and infrared night vision deliver clear footage day and night, while two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors from anywhere. With up to 120 days of battery life, reliable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, and subscription-free access to essential features, this BoyFun wireless doorbell camera offers an ultra-wide 180-degree field of view, giving you a complete head-to-toe view of visitors and packages at your doorstep. Its AI-powered human detection reduces false alerts by distinguishing people from animals, vehicles, and moving objects. The Sharp 2K HD camera and infrared night vision deliver clear footage day and night, while two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors from anywhere. The Google Nest doorbell uses built-in intelligence to detect people, packages, animals, and vehicles, sending alerts directly to your phone without requiring a subscription. Enjoy crystal-clear HD video with HDR night vision and a tall vertical view that helps you see visitors from head to toe, including packages on the ground. You can talk to guests remotely, use quick responses, and even view up to 3 hours of free event history. With flexible wired or battery-powered installation and backup recording during Wi-Fi outages, the Nest doorbell makes home security simple, smart, and convenient.